We are on Mount Nebo. This is our last location for Out of Egypt. And we are capturing the final moments of the story of Moses as he came out on Mount Nebo and saw the promised land, the land that God had promised his people. Unfortunately for Moses, he didn't actually get to go into it, but the sun's getting ready to go down, ready to capture this scene. It has been a long 2 weeks. We've been up very early, several mornings, 4:30 to 2 a.m. Other times, and then up late. We're chasing the sun, so the sun is pretty bright here, and we're trying to find the right times to get the right shots. It's been quite the journey, and we're excited to be here and wrapping this production up.